Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact cells with numbers that include spaces. This step matters because Excel treats spaced numbers as text. Once selected, check whether spaces are leading, trailing, or inside the number because the method may differ. Make sure to copy the range to a backup sheet before changes so you can undo mistakes quickly. Now that you've prepared cells and a backup, proceed to the first action. Use trim for extra spaces or find and replace to remove all space characters. You apply formulas depending on the problem. Use trim to collapse multiple spaces and delete leading/trailing spaces because trim preserves single internal spaces. Once done, if you need to remove every space, you substitute with a literal space replaced by empty text. This strips internal spaces too. Make sure to wrap either result with value when you must convert text results into numeric values for calculations. After you confirm results, copy the formula column and paste special values over the original. You finish by converting formulas into static numbers. Copy the cleaned column, then paste special as values onto the original cells so formulas are removed. If a cell still behaves like text, check for non-breaking spaces. Substitute char 160 in addition to regular spaces because web imports often use them. Make sure to set the cell format to number or general so Excel treats entries numerically. If things go wrong, use text to columns on a single column or rerun substitute targeting char 160 to resolve stubborn spaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.